What's up guys, doing some more ice fishing today, and the main goal of today is to pull a pike up through the ice. I'm going to try for all different species, but I got some big shiner minnows, some suckers. I'm going to set some tip ups and also do some jigging, so hopefully I can get some pike and maybe a cool mixed bag of species. Alright, we got ourselves a good sized shiner minnow here, which we're going to drop down right near the bottom. Hopefully we'll get a flag soon. Got one. Got me a fish. It's big. It's a good sized one. My reel is not performing well at all here. It's a good fish. Oh my god, it's a little pike. What the heck? Hold on, let me grab him. Little pike on a little jig and a spike. That is cool. That's why I was fighting so hard. That's no panfish. I think we might eat this guy though, because I want to do a pike catch and cook. I didn't say it in the intro because I wasn't sure if I was going to catch anything, to be honest, but... Alright guys, I changed my mind here on this little pike. We're going to see if we can get a bigger one to keep, but we could keep this fish. I really want to do a pike catch and cook, but that didn't take long, so I think we'll be able to find a bigger one. Sweet. Alright guys, I poorly explained that situation, but I just caught a little pike on a spike and a tungsten jig, which is pretty weird, but there's a lot of small pike in this lake, so there's no size limit, and I do want to do a pike catch and cook. I didn't say it in the intro because I wasn't sure if I was going to catch anything, but if they're going to bite on a little jig, they're probably going to hit one of my tip ups eventually, so I'm going to look for a pike that's just a little bit bigger, and hopefully we'll do a catch and cook with it. Alright guys, I just dropped this tip up down and got an instant flag. Not sure if it's still going to be there. Oh, it's there. It's there. First flag. Not sure if it's still there or not. Nothing's running. Oh, there's something there. Got it. Oh gosh, feels big. This is my first tip up fish ever, so. Oh, fail, okay. Like I was saying, first tip up fish, not really sure how this works, but we're just gonna bring it right up. Oh, it's a little bit better of a fish, a little better pike. Just broke me off, frick. That was dumb, I should have just lifted him right up, but bit me clean off. That's what you get when you use fluoro, so that was lame, but that was an instant flag. A little bigger. See where that treble hook is. Alright guys, here's a better look at my first ever tip up fish. About an 18-20 inch pike. Nothing big, but as you can see, he froze up real quick. Yep, that's gonna be a fish. We got him. I would feel very satisfied if we could land this last minute fish. It seems pretty small. What do we got? Oh, he's little. He's little, but very pretty. Wow. Another one with a sweet pattern on it. At least he's not hooked very deep because we don't need him. We'll let this little guy go. That is one cool looking fish. Ooh. See ya, man. On that note, I'm gonna get off this lake. It's freezing cold, super windy. We're gonna get back in the car, get some catch and cook stuff, and hopefully get a fire going. Alright guys, I'm hoping that footage wasn't too rough. It was really cold and windy out there, so I did the best I could. I ended up catching 3 pike, which surprised me. Pretty much anything surprises me ice fishing because I'm so new to it. Any fish through the ice is pretty cool. That was my first time really using the tip ups and catching fish on them, so it was fun to do that and hand line them, and it was also fun to get the little one on the ice rod. That was a good fight. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that, and I kept the 1 pike, and we're gonna cook it up somehow. I want to get a fire going. I think it'd be sweet to get a fire going out on one of those islands, but I'm gonna run to the store and get some stuff, maybe get some firewood just to make sure I can get a fire because I don't have very much time. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and get to work. All right guys, running out of time here, but got the firewood. firewood there and the fish and some more supplies, and I'm just gonna drag that stuff out. Alright guys, I'm hoping that footage wasn't too rough. It was really cold and windy out there, so I did the best I could. I ended up catching 3 pike, which surprised me. Pretty much anything surprises me ice fishing because I'm so new to it. Any fish through the ice is pretty cool. That was my first time really using the tip ups and catching fish on them, so it was fun to do that and hand line them, and it was also fun to get the little one on the ice rod. That was a good fight. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching that, and I kept the 1 pike, and we're gonna cook it up somehow. I want to get a fire going. I think it'd be sweet to get a fire going out on one of those islands, but I'm just gonna stop talking and get to work. Alright guys, running out of time here, but got the firewood there and the fish and some more supplies, and I'm just gonna drag that stuff out. island's right out there. It's not that far, but I gotta get out there and I gotta start working on that fire before we run out of time. I don't know what is down there, but this went off like crazy. All right guys, about to cut into the pike here. There's two problems I have with pike. First of all, they just smell gross. And second of all, everyone says they have these nasty Y bones in them. But I'm just gonna fillet it, and if there's bones, I'll just pick around them, I guess. I don't really have time to try out any new fancy filleting technique, so I'm gonna get this thing cut up and hopefully the fire holds up. Guys, this has turned into one of the most crude catch and cooks I've ever done. Really struggling to maintain the fire and also get these fillets cleaned. I only had like half a bottle of water. So this is what we got. We got to get it in the fire soon. The fire is not looking good. So we got the pike here. I kind of picked around the Y bones a little bit. I tried my best, but as you can see, not a ton of meat considering the size of the fish. But got butter and parsley, and that's pretty much it. I'm just going to throw it in there. Alright, it's real dark out, so I got the flashlight on, but I just pulled the meat. It actually looks pretty good. It cooked up solidly. Maybe a little too much parsley in there, but it looks good. It has good texture, and I'm going to see how many things I can hold at once. Smack some lemon on there. Might need a lot of lemon. I hear it's really gross. Anyways, it's going to get super cold, so I'm going to grab a bite of it real quick. Alright guys, super dark. Hiding behind a tree to hopefully block the wind. Got a piece of this pike here. I hope it's worth it. It's definitely not my best catch and cook, but I don't think, even though it was crude, I don't think it's the quality of the cooking. I just think pike has a little bit of an off taste. Maybe you need to brine it or soak it in something overnight. But yeah, it definitely has a little bit of a fishy taste, but I'm gonna eat the rest of it anyways because I'm hungry. This piece actually tastes a lot better, like significantly better. It's actually pretty delicious. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I don't know if there's different areas of the pike that are fishier than the other, but this is a good piece right here. This is good. All right guys, so I just finished off that whole pike, and in hindsight, I'd say I'm probably never gonna keep a pike again. It's just not that good. There's lots of better fish to eat, but I'm glad I tried it. I've always wanted to try it. It was fun catching those pike today, and it was fun eating them. So that was a pretty adventurous catch and cook. It was very, very difficult to get a fire going. It's pretty much dead back there. But yeah, temperatures just dropped into negative, so I'm gonna cook up a couple of those hot dogs, then I'm gonna get out of here. I'm actually not gonna end the video out here though. I'm gonna take it back to my room because I've got 2 golden shiners left, and they're actually pretty cool looking fish, so I'm gonna throw them in the tank and see how they do. It's literally the perfect chance. Oh. Sick footage. We're about to see a plot twist. Oh my god, he got him. The camera lagged, but he got him. Wow. Vicious. Uh-oh, some fish are gonna take it. Uh-oh. Oh, he tucked it under. Ooh. Oh my goodness. This is frantic. Ooh. Ooh. Tail first. Oh my god. Dude, Brad, he just destroyed this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of tank footage. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. I'm talking kind of quietly because it's 3 a.m. I know I've been lacking on the uploads, so I just wanted to make sure I got this video out to you guys as soon as possible. I just wanted to say, just as an update for you guys who really follow the channel, that this is going to be my last current video for a couple weeks, because after this video I'm cutting straight into the last cast tour, which is my summer videos from a really big summer trip I did. I'm really excited to show you guys all the footage from it. Basically the best fishing trip of my life, so that's what the next couple weeks is going to be, is my videos from that. It's really awesome summertime fishing action, and I cannot wait to show you guys. Anyways, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.